It's your boy Hexagon here. I'm about to unbox the PS4 new wireless gold headsets. The ones for $100 that is replacing the Pulse headsets from the PS3. Alright, I'm gonna skip all the tape cutting and I don't know what's in the box or how hard it's gonna be to open. But I'm going to skip all that and get straight to it. It was actually pretty easy. Of course, you know how hard it is to do it with one hand and looking through a camera lens. It's like a box within a box. Don't understand. Let me see. It actually comes with a whole lot. It comes with a dongle, the cable to the headset, to the controller, to the PS4, to the PS Vita, headphone jack. It comes with a lot. I'm just gonna open it. Oh man. Oh. Lord Vader. We found the Death Star's Vigilator core. Here it is. There it is. Can't believe they came out with them so soon. There it is. Got it yesterday. It's a gift for Valentine's Day. An early one. Oh man. What does it have? What is this? It's like something in here. I'm guessing this is like the. I guess I can carry it in this. Maybe it must unfold into something. Oh wait, maybe that's all of it. No, it's nothing in there but forms. The dongle, of course, which goes to the PS4 or PS3, and I think to the laptop. Or computer. Yeah. Because now it can connect to so many different things. And this is the PS4 connector, USB, standard Android charger. Good cord, but this is too short. So that's why I'm just going to use the regular one that came with the PS4, which is extremely long. No pun intended. This is the controller. This is the good stuff. This is what the Pulse did have. Please lift tray for accessories. I think I've already done that. Yeah, I've already. That doesn't even. What? How could I have seen that before I seen the accessories? Alright, doesn't matter. Alright, from the future I've come back. There it is. Smells golden. They fold up now. Right here. It's got a hidden sound cancellation inside this little air cushion foamer thing. That's pretty much it. It comes with a lot to compare to the Pulse. It comes with the cord, the USB jack, the actual dongle, which now works for just about everything. Computer, PS3, Vita, PS4. It works for all of the PlayStation products. That's good. It's real good. It's real good. I'm gonna try these out in some Battlefield. But other than that, guys, subscribe. Also, thumbs up this video and get these headphones. They seem to be awesome. I'm gonna try them out for myself. Look at that. I want to open this. Yeah, I gotta open this. Feels like something's in here. Yep. Greatness awaits.